Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is, for that you're going to open up your Phantom wallet right over here. Now once you have opened your app up and signed in, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now from over here you're going to go to the section of receive, and then you're going to go ahead, tap on the Solana, and you're going to copy your particular address for receiving. Now you're going to go back to your Binance app. You're going to open up your Binance app right over there, and you're going to go to the crypto section, and you're going to go to the send, and then you're going to go ahead and paste this particular address that we have copied. Once I've pasted the link, and we are going to choose the currency, which is the Solana, and we're going to confirm the information once again, and gonna confirm the transaction as well. That's how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.